Hi guys, today we are going to learn about cosine rule, and we see the application of cosine rule and how it's used in real life situations. And in this case we are going to have a question which reads, the following is a triangle labeled ABC, and we are given the triangle. We have AB is 78 centimeters, AC 66 centimeters, and BC 59 centimeters. And the question is, you find the size of angle ABC. So step number one, what do? We relabel the triangle such that, for example, in line AC, which letter is missing? The triangle is triangle ABC. So B is missing, and we label that using small letters. For part B, C, the letter that is missing is letter A. Write it in small letters. For line AB, we have the line that is missing is the letter that is missing is letter C. Once you're through with that, we can now go to step number 2, whereby we are to recall the cosine rule. And remember, the triangle that is in question is angle B. So in our case, we are going to start with the B squared, the angle that is in question. B squared is equals to A squared plus AC minus 2AC cos B. And for this one, you can find the cosine rule in your mathematical tables. Most of the times is always written. It's only that you exchange the letters with the letters that you are being asked for, and you start with the letter that is in question. So that is why we are going now to step number 3, whereby we are going to replace the values. And for us to replace the values, B squared, that is 66 squared, is equals to A squared. In our case, A is 59 squared plus C squared, 78 squared, minus 2 times 59 times 78 cos B. Remember, we are just replacing. So using your calculator, we find the values for 53 of 66 squared. We find is 4,356. 59 squared, the value is 3,481, plus 78 squared is 6,084, minus, once you multiply those values, you get 9,204 cos B. For us to be able to make this question simpler, we are just going to put the like terms together. In our case, all the values that can be added or subtracted. So let's start with adding 3,481 to 6,084, and we get 9,565 minus 9,204 cos B. Of course, we cannot touch that part because we have got some unknown part. So we are going to take, so now our question will be 4,356 is equals to 9,565 is equals to minus 9,204 cos B. So let's subtract the values that can be subtracted. We subtract 4,356 minus 9,565, and we get 5,209 is equals to minus 9204 cos B. So for us to be left with cos B on this other side, we divide by 9204 on both sides, which is negative. And once we divide on both sides, we are going to get 0.5654 is equals to cos B. However, we want the cos inverse of it. We want the angle itself. And once we find the inverse of cos B, you get 55.5.